Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 491. I'm sure he will help you. What tenses will help? A. Present continuous. B. Simple future. C. Future continuous. D. Simple present. Correct answer, simple future. Question number 492. We have lived in this city for 10 years. What tenses have lived? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Simple present. Correct answer, present perfect. Question number 493. While I was studying, my brother was watching TV. What tense was studying and was watching? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, past continuous. Question number 494. At 6 p.m. tomorrow, I will be having a meeting. What tense will be having? A. Simple future. B. Future perfect. C. Future continuous. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, future continuous. Question number 495. She had already left by the time he arrived. What tense had already left? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, past perfect. Question number 496. By the end of this month, I will have read 5 books. What tenses will have read? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, future perfect. Question number 497. He had been running for an hour when he suddenly fell. What tense had been running? A. Past continuous. B. Past perfect. C. Past perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, past perfect continuous. Question number 498. By next year, I will have been teaching for 15 years. What tenses will have been teaching? A. Future continuous. B. Future perfect. C. Future perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, future perfect continuous. Question number 499. The train departs at 7:30 a.m. What tenses departs? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple future. D. Simple past. Correct answer, simple present. Question number 500. I've just finished my breakfast. What tense I've just finished? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, present perfect. Like, share, comment and subscribe.